Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your BMW X3. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, such as a 27mm or 32mm oil filter socket, a 17 or 19mm drain plug socket, and a torque wrench. You will also need about 7 liters of 5W30 or 5W40 full synthetic oil, a new oil filter kit, and a drain pan with at least 7 liters capacity. Warm up the engine for about 10 minutes, then safely raise and secure your vehicle. Now let's get to draining the old oil. First, locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine, and loosen its cap to allow oil to drain back into the pan. Next, find the drain plug underneath the vehicle, typically a 17 or 19mm bolt. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug and let the used oil flow out completely, which may take several minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new components. Install the new oil filter element and replace all rubber O-rings on the filter housing cap. Lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil. Reinstall the filter cap, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Next, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer, torquing it to 25 to 30 Newton meters. Finally, pour in about 7 liters of fresh, full synthetic oil. You're almost done. Reinstall the oil filler cap and visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter housing. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes, then check the oil level using the electronic display or dipstick. Top off if needed. Finally, reset your vehicle's oil service indicator through the instrument cluster menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.